Welcome to today's cooking recipe. We're going to make a rich, creamy hollandaise sauce, the perfect addition to eggs Benedict, veggies, or seafood. This classic sauce can seem tricky, but with a few simple tips and steps, you'll be making it like a pro. Let's dive right in and get started. Alright, let's get started on our hollandaise sauce. First, grab 3 large egg yolks. These will give us that rich, creamy base. We'll also need about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to add a nice zesty tang. Don't forget the salt, about 1/4 teaspoon should do, along with a pinch of white pepper for a little extra flavor. Now the star of the show, 1 cup of unsalted butter. You'll want to melt this and keep it hot, ready to combine with the egg mixture. And if the sauce thickens too much, we've got 1 tablespoon of warm water to help thin it out. That's all the ingredients we need, so let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing our double boiler. Fill the bottom pot with about 1 to 2 inches of water, making sure the water doesn't touch the top bowl. You don't want the eggs to cook directly in the water. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This indirect heat is going to help cook the egg yolks without scrambling them. Once the water's simmering, we're ready for the next step. Now take your 3 egg yolks and place them in the top bowl of the double boiler. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of white pepper. Whisk the mixture vigorously until it's smooth and a bit frothy. This will create a base that will thicken as we cook it. The goal here is to get the eggs light and airy. Keep whisking and be sure to get all those lumps out. This will help the sauce be silky later on. Now that our egg yolk mixture is smooth, it's time to heat it up. Place the bowl over the simmering water, but make sure it's not touching the water. You don't want the eggs to cook too quickly, so keep that heat low. Whisk constantly and keep an eye on the consistency. You'll notice the mixture start to thicken up after about 2 to 3 minutes. If the mixture starts to get too hot and you're worried about scrambling, just take it off the heat for a moment and whisk it to cool down, then return it to the heat. The key here is to keep everything smooth and thickening slowly. Now we're going to start adding our melted butter. Make sure it's hot but not boiling. Slowly add the butter to the egg yolk mixture, just a few drops at a time at first. Whisk it in vigorously. This slow addition helps create an emulsion, so the butter and egg yolks combine into a smooth, creamy sauce. As the sauce thickens, you can start adding the butter in a thin stream, but keep whisking nonstop. If the sauce thickens too much, don't worry. Just add a little warm water, about a teaspoon at a time, to loosen it up to your desired consistency. At this point, your hollandaise should be thick and smooth. Take a moment to taste it. It should have a rich, buttery flavor with that tang from the lemon juice. If you feel it needs a little more acidity, you can add a splash more lemon juice. Add a pinch of salt or pepper to adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is your chance to customize the flavor, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. Once everything tastes just right, we're ready to serve. Finally, hollandaise is best when it's fresh and hot, so serve it immediately. Pour it over eggs Benedict, roasted vegetables, or even fish. If you're not serving it right away, you can keep it warm by placing the bowl over a pot of warm water. Just be sure to whisk it occasionally. Hollandaise doesn't store well, so it's ideal to make it just before serving. Lastly, let me share a few important tips to make sure your hollandaise turns out perfect every time. First, temperature control is key. You want the egg yolks to cook gently, so always use a double boiler or a bowl over simmering water. The heat should be low and indirect to prevent the eggs from scrambling. If you're unsure, you can even take the bowl off the heat briefly to cool it down if things are getting too hot. Next, remember that constant whisking is crucial. It helps prevent the eggs from cooking too quickly and ensures that the butter is incorporated smoothly into the yolks. If the sauce starts to separate or looks like it's breaking, don't panic. Just whisk more vigorously, and it should come back together. Another important tip is about the butter temperature. Make sure it's melted and hot, but not boiling. If the butter's too cool, it won't emulsify well with the egg yolks. On the flip side, if the butter's too hot, it could cause the eggs to scramble. So just warm it up enough until it's gently melted. Hollandaise doesn't store well, so it's best to make it right before serving. However, if you need to hold it for a short period, keep it in a warm, not hot place and whisk occasionally. If it cools and thickens too much, you can gently reheat it over warm water or add a bit more warm water to loosen it. And lastly, you can experiment with adding different flavors to your hollandaise, such as a dash of hot sauce, Dijon mustard, or herbs like tarragon or chives for a unique twist. Now enjoy your homemade hollandaise sauce.